Yeah, Presilakai! Hey! We're in the building, gang. Yes, sir. Gold.
Might just got a Jude.
Good morning, everybody, man. All my Win squad, man. Buenos dias to you guys. Hey, you already know I'm on a vacation, man. So right now I'm in Puerto Rico, man. So you already know the vibe, man. So I couldn't vlog everything for you guys yesterday because, you know, I was doing a lot, you know. So today's day one. So we are about to go to, like, you know, Old San Juan and stuff to visit the beautiful houses and stuff, you know. Castillo, there's a Castillo del Moro, I don't know, but we're going there to, you know, look at the country and stuff. So right now, but before we do that, man, I have my people in here, man. I came with my good people, man, my WhatsApp good people. You already know. If you watch the last video, you will get what I'm saying. So go watch my last video so you can get the idea of what I'm talking about. But today, man, my people making breakfast for the whole people, for everybody that's in the house. So we're about to, like, you know, to go check them out and stuff, man. You know, we're about to go check them out to see what they're doing out there, man. So hey, I'm gonna take you guys with me because that's what I always do, man. I always show you guys everything I'm doing while I'm away. So let's go. But before this video get any further than that, man, just like, comment, and subscribe so you can be part of the Win Squad family. Let's go. And I have a special guest for you guys. I'm gonna show you. Stay tuned. Yeah. My boy Swice in the building. Not too love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the kitchen.
Yeah, what are you making? What are you making? Oh, she's in the kitchen whipping it, man. Hey, Lala's in the building too. Shout out to Lala. And Judy is in the building. And my boy Uptown in the building. Y'all already know the vibe, man. Shit. Puerto Rico it is. And my lady's throwing it down in the kitchen, man. They're in the kitchen, man, you know. They're doing their thing. Now you're good. You just woke up, man. So yeah, this is how we do it, man. We're in Puerto Rico, man. So we're in Puerto Rico, man. Hey. We just here to have a good time, man, you know. This is their house, man. You know, I couldn't do a house tour for you because, you know, we got a lot of people with us, so I didn't want to invade their privacy, see what I mean? So, because when we got here yesterday, that's like, you know, they went straight to their room and stuff, so I couldn't really, like, do anything for you guys. But, you know, this is the, like, you know, the settings of the house and shit, the layout. You know, it's a really nice house. There's the, like, you know, a room back there and stuff, but yeah, this is my boy Suarez. So yeah, we out here, man. You know, we just here to have a good time. We're in the building. My boy rap in the building. You already know the vibe, man. Yes, sir.
Put the lighting up until I take pictures with somebody.
Hola, mama.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody say play Zilaka in 1, 2, 3. Play Zilaka! Yeah, gang gang. Just made it to the park and shit, you know the park. So we just left and we got some test country. You already know, man. We got some test country, man. You already know the vibe, man. Fresco.
Oh, test control.
Yeah, man. We got the whole squad. Yeah, so we're thirsty, man. We gotta stay hydrated. Yeah. What the fuck? Yeah, so this is where we came from right here. Castilla del Moro. Yeah. Yeah. Let's cross the street.
Wait, I'm going to watch that.
Test country. Good vibes only, man. Y'all remember I said I have something special with me, man. Y'all didn't know. The real Tashina's in the building, y'all. Make some noise. For the real Tashina. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm lit already, man. Y'all didn't know the vibe. So yeah, we've been turning up ever since we got here, man. So, yeah, so we've been turning up since last night.
Tired of walking.
Nah. It's really beautiful and wholesome in Puerto Rico, man. So it's a vibe out here. So just come and have a good time, man. You're gonna enjoy yourself. Ratatatang! Ratatatang! Gang, gang, gang! We're in the building! Big shake de mille tutto.
A few moments later.
Hey, we got the office. Puerto Rico. Yeah. Have a good time. We lit. Puerto Rico. Yeah, mama, Puerto Rico.
What's up, squad, man? Good morning to everybody, man. Listen, today's ziplining day. So we over here, man. Yeah, we're about to do ziplining now with the gang. You already know the vibe, man. Yeah, so we are. That's where we are right now. So yeah.
Relax and pay close attention, okay, to what we're gonna be talking.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
Do you have water up here?
Huh?
Do you have water?
Yeah, rain.
Drink.
Nah, water in the vending machine. That's the only water you can get over here.
Yeah. Waterfall?
She got Aquafina right there. She got your back.
Go like north, you know.
First launch, okay? So, are you ready?
Good vibes only. You already know the vibe, man. So we got the whole gang right here, man. So you already know the vibe, man. So don't hate, man. Get like us, man. Fuck that. You already know the vibe, man. Good vibes only. Yeah. Yeah, let them know. Let them know. So yeah, we're in the jungle, guys. So we're about to do the zip lining. We are at the Jungle Key zip line park. We're coming back, mama. Yeah, so as you guys can see, as you guys can see, we're walking up the mountain and stuff. Yeah, so we're going up the mountain and stuff, man. We're about to do the zip lining, so yeah. Yes, I got my boy out town here, man. And I've been knowing this nigga for 6 years now, man. This is a I'm not too here, man. You already know it, bro, man. Not to show something for the people, man. Come on.
Booty me down, down. Booty me down, down. Booty me down.
And I got my personal bartender right here, man. You already know this, man. And I got my personal chef. This is how we do it, man. Good vibes only, man. We just coming to have a good time, man, and we having a blast. As you guys can see, man, I lost my voice because we way too lit. So yeah, I will catch you guys when I get up there, alright? Yes, guys, so we've been doing ziplining You know, we did 2 already, man. So that's the third one. That's the third one, man. So yes, we are about to do the third one right now. So you know.
Wait, the third?
Yeah, this is the third one. We just did 2. So we have like 8 more to go.
8 more?
Yeah. I mean after this one, 8 more. So basically we still have like 1 hour left, bro.
1 hour left.
Tell it. Okay, I got you, baby. Okay, you ready?
Big shit. Big shit.
Big shit.
Big shit.
Big shit. My nigga.
Good though.
My boy Suarez is here.
Yes, sir. You in the bed?
Tem muito pra papi, eu levo a video sa tombe, no? Tem muito pra papi. Oh shit, big shit.
Yo, it's alright.
Puerto Rico, man. Vida loca. We're not here for a long time, man. We're here for a good time. Good vibes only, man. Check out the drip, though. Yeah. Nasa Naila, gang, gang, gang. Wet, wet.
Purchase your tracks today.
Time it is, man. Island vibe dinner time. Yeah. Good times. You already know good times and good vibes only.
morning, what's up, Wens Squad, man? Today we finna do the ATV and horseback riding, man. So we at Puerto Rico. That's where we're gonna be doing our excursion and stuff. So yeah, we are about to get on the ATV. You already know that vibe, man. Good vibes only.
Okay. So let's grab some helmets first, and then I'm gonna discuss the route with you guys.
Gang, gang, gang! Gang, gang. So right now we just take a break. Man. Look at the baby chicken, man. Oh, look at the chicken. Oh, we're gonna eat you later on, nigga. Look at the pigeon, man. Hey. Yeah, so we are here, man. The whole game. Oh shit, got a big time, man. What the fuck? Fellow tombar, man. Go Simon. Yes! Yo! What the fuck? Yo! Hell yeah! Your stomach booming. Yes, that shit's fake. So yeah, we got this suit.
It's not a killer, it's a bathing suit. Why would I wear a killer boot on top?
Oh, il a fait photo.
You wanna hold it?
Yes, I'm comfortable. Thank you.
No, she said she wanted to do that. Kiss it, Lala, kiss it, Lala.
Huh?
Kiss it.
No, it's her name, too bad. That's not Nala is sneaky, that's her
Oh,
favorite.
it feels good though.
Oh, you know how Nala gets so sad.
Yo, that's my nigga Woomba. Woomba, 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 Woomba. Calma, Woomba. What the fuck? Yo, nigga, what the fuck? What are you running for, nigga? Hey, foot. Hey! Yo, this nigga don't wanna behave, nigga.